Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Bartlett Elementary in South Lyon, Michigan at their after-school program at the Kids Club. And just a really incredible afternoon getting to share my heart with the students and staff here today. The main focus was on bullying, look at the heart first, and what I'll be sharing at all the elementaries in the South Lyon School District over the next few weeks here in January 2022. But that focus, that does start within our heart is to be able to see other people for their heart too. To be able to let that amount of kindness and love and respect into our hearts as big as our fist. And hopefully once we do let that compassion, empathy, understanding fully in, we can turn this into this, right? The peace sign, one finger ourself, the other for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. And like it says right here in their lobby, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Right? And the kids really got that concept today. They understood that, yes, there are times that we are hurt people, and the easy thing to do is to go hurt someone else, but it's not the right thing to do. The right thing to do is to forgive, to become healed people who heal people. And in doing so, we are best friends to each other. That our best friends see us for their heart before anything else, and they also see us for this too. We talk about the M etched on all of our palms, with the lines of our hand, right? I traced one of mine here. But that M stands for, like the front of my shirt says, for miracle. Upside down, that W stands for worthy. That we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And this world needs us to do that. It needs us to shine our light to other people's hearts who are hurting, who just need to be heard, need to be seen. And hopefully we can be the one that starts to lift them up a little bit higher than ourselves. There was a handful of students that wanted to share their heart with me after today and after today's presentation, and that just came up not only to speak to me, but to give me some drawings about kindness, how kind is cool, how me coming today touched their heart because they felt happier than they have in a long time, happier than they normally do. Some students even shared that one of their stories really related to them, and sometimes how they've gotten teased over something that they can't control based on how they were born. And yes, it breaks my heart to hear that, but then I saw other students encouraging them in the same breath to say that your family and your friends, the people that love you, that support you, got your back, that you never have to go this alone. And to really understand that some that have felt alone, it doesn't mean that that's how it's going to be going forward. So many students that just said, Mr. Peace, you're a miracle. And I said, you guys are miracles. You guys touch my heart. And if something did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. Now you have to go out and share that gift, right? By choosing love, by choosing kindness, by choosing respect. So again, thank you all for touching my heart. Make sure to keep spreading your light for the rest of this school year and going into 2022. Special thanks to South Lyon Community Coalition for sponsoring this program and all of the future programs heading up here in January through the 8 schools that we're going to be visiting. This coalition, Paige George, the director, thank you so much. And partnering with Mr. Peace is going to touch even more hearts and reach even more lives. So thank you for that. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this amazing playlist of videos to my YouTube channel, and feel free to visit my website through the other link on the screen to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.